Hey Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. It is just few days to Easter, and at the same time it is about to be the spring season, so I thought I would share with you all 50 video ideas that you can make that will get you more views and subscribers for the Easter period and throughout the spring. And not just that, these video ideas are videos that I've seen blew up people's channel, so I thought I can also share the same video ideas with you guys and also get your YouTube channel viral. So if you want to know what those video ideas are, then keep watching this YouTube video. So guys, just bear with me in case if you see me looking down, because I'm gonna be reading them from my phone. Anyways, the first video idea is a spring or Easter story time. The second one is how to decorate Easter eggs. We all know during the Easter period, this is one popular video idea that a lot of people are gonna be making, so you want to make sure you're doing the same and you actually make yours as soon as possible. You don't want to be the last. Okay, third, how to make an Easter basket, and the fourth is what's on my kids Easter basket. Now if you have kids, this is a very good video idea, so just get your kids some Easter basket and put different things on it and do a video of you displaying what's on those baskets. The fifth is Easter ideas for teens and kids or Easter care crafts. 6, what I got my kids for Easter 2021. 7 is trying spring or Easter craft ideas. Number 8 is pranks. You can actually prank your friends or families. Number 9 is Easter Dollar Tree decor ideas. This one is a cool one. I love videos like this. I always see them go viral, so make sure you actually do it right now. Okay, number 10 is Easter songs for kids and the family. 11 is Easter or spring decorate with me. 12 is reaction videos, and mostly you can actually make these reaction videos more creative by making reaction videos on what is going on Easter and what other people are doing for Easter or during the spring. You can actually react to those type of videos, especially the viral ones. Okay, number 13 is what to do for Easter Friday and Sunday. We all know how popular Easter Friday and the Sunday actually is, so you can actually show us what to do those days. 14 will be truth or drinking videos. Number 15 will be Easter or spring dinner recipes. 16 is morning and night routine. Number 17 will be unboxing video on what you got for Easter or just unboxing video in general. Number 18 is vlogs. You can actually vlog a day in your life video. 19 will be get ready with me. 20 will be Easter video ideas, so you can actually make a video idea like this very one. 21 will be any how-to videos or just tutorial in general. Every how-to videos, they always do so well. Okay, 22 will be Easter dessert ideas. 23 is Easter God story, so you can actually do a story of the Bible for us, or if it's the Quran, anyone is fine. Just do an Easter God story. 24 will be makeup tutorial. 25 will be resurrection Easter lessons and crafts like teacher's addiction. 26 will be Mukbang. I would love a video like this for Easter, and I'm going to really advise you make an Easter Mukbang. It will really go viral, especially if you make it really interesting, you do the right keyword research. It will obviously go viral, trust me. Number 27 will be hygiene routine. 28 will be trying TikTok Easter snacks. 29 is clean with me Easter edition. 30 cook with me Easter edition. 31 is get ready with me to go nowhere. Just get ready and stay inside your house. 32 will be what's on my iPhone. They always do so well though. 32 will be Easter life hacks. 34 will be reacting to my subscribers viral video. 35 will be Easter game ideas or Easter egg game ideas. 36 will be Netflix suggestions. So 37 will be the reason for Easter. So basically just make a video explaining to us what is the reason for Easter, how Easter actually came about. Like if you know the story, you can actually share a video explaining to us the purpose of Easter. 38 will be waking up every day at 5 a.m. So you can actually choose to do this maybe in a week in April, or just do it all throughout the month of April. 39 will be playlist video. 40 will be assumptions video. 41 will be get to know me video. If you've not done that, please do it. 42 will be birthday vlog or all. So for me, my birthday is April 24th, so I can actually do a vlog that day of how my birthday actually went, everything I did that day, what I ate, what I drink, and all of that. And by the way, like I said, April 24th is my birthday, so I will be expecting a gift from you guys if you can. And if you want to give me any gift, just let me know and I will tell you how you can get it to me. Again, wish me happy birthday in advance, okay? 43 will be get talk. 44 will be card talk. 45 will be productive day in my life. 46 will be how to make a paper bunny rabbit. 47 will be spring or Easter room decor ideas. 48 will be Easter appetizers ideas 2021. 49 will be what I eat in a day. And 50 will be study with me. Now I'm going to add one to it. 51 will be an ASMR video. So any type of ASMR video, go ahead and do it. So you all, that is it for this video. And if you've not yet seen other of my videos on video ideas, I'm gonna leave them on the iCards on the description box. Make sure you go see those videos, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. Love you and bye.